Hey guys! You may have noticed something new on our website recently. Our large bore bristle brushes now have wooden handles. That's right, we've upgraded. In an attempt to be more environmentally friendly and avoid plastics where we can, we've revamped our two larger brushes to better fit our message of supporting beautiful and healthy hair care naturally. What I love about these brushes is the natural material and how it just glides gently through your hair, preventing frizz and breakage. Boar bristle brushes are one of the best ways to naturally condition hair while improving texture and shine. Available in large and small sizes, our brushes feature several rings of pure boar bristle tufts, and mixed bristle brushes also have a few nylon bristles to help work through extra thick or curly hair. All of the brushes also have pneumatic rubber cushions that contour to the shape of your scalp for extra comfort and to provide a massage-like sensation as you brush. These are not only styling tools, but also a form of dry shampoo as they cleanse your hair and scalp and distribute your natural oils. They're also a great way to improve and shorten your detox period when you first make the switch to all natural products. We recommend that you brush your hair 3 times a day for optimum distribution of sebum and to help remove foreign chemicals and particles. You can also use this brush on your children's hair and pet's fur, as well as on your arms and legs to remove dead skin cells and further stimulate blood flow to your skin and lymphatic system. Keep the large brush in your home and bring the small brush along for on-the-go hair care, or even keep a brush in the shower to help really work in your shampoo or rinse it out. Be sure to also clean your brush frequently and see the links in the description for the best brushing and brush cleaning methods. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.